just like an activation ki come this weekend.
But bro, it'll look nice, just just displaying the collection. It will, like, the whole vibe will be different.
We can have planters. You know how they are doing the deck? The reception here. So you can still have like
below
a,
and then
you can have something going below, some big planters on the side.
Look at this. Can you really look at this?
have an option.
Oh
Beautiful.
no! Look at the normal bottle लग रही थी.
Here I'll show you. Really?
हाँ.
Are you just acting?
No.
Really?
Oh.
These are not for sale.
Yeah, not for sale.
This is just like a collectible that we will be handing out to our top
Customers. Not for sale. Blue orange for Jägermeister.
And you'll never, like, bro, will never be on sale.
And guys, this is actually beautiful. Look at the shine and engraving. It looks so neat.
Like, I couldn't
Yeah.
stop smiling when I saw them.
Guys, this is our collection,
Sneak peek.
which you will already
Sneak peek nahi hai bhai.
sneak peek
नहीं,
तुम
नहीं।
लोगों को पता चल ही जाएगा.
अच्छा
This is
हाँ.
only going to go out once we release it.
Look at this couture jacket. Oh my god.
2 lakhs only.
Yeah. Look at the detailing. Nice, right?
Beautiful.
Already set. भाई तूने अभी तो उतार दे. कि बोला
कभी भूल जाए.
फिर पहने रहे. हम इसका मेकअप ऑलरेडी हमने इसका कर दिया है थोड़ा मोटा. राहुल का है.
ठीक है guys, we are ready. By the way, this is after so long that I've seen you.
I think store launch was the last one.
Oh fuck, bro, ये तो गिर जाएंगे. Bro, ये कैसे रखे हुए हैं? Yo, so it's very hard to collaborate with us because we are not very eager on collaborating with a lot of brands because there's just a certain way we work or फिर वो उतना defined नहीं है and then like we can't work around timelines. But I don't know how did this happen. In fact, Jägermeister, India, they were very, very cooperative and very open to doing a lot of things. And after a really long time, I'm actually excited about a collaboration. I hope everybody likes it. The first teaser is out and you all are loving it. And we are doing a lot of things around it. So wait till you see what we do this weekend at the Delhi store. We are on our way to do the campaign shoot
At a secret location,
at a secret location which is visible here.
which I'm not showing.
Okay.
गाइस एक fucked up हो गया है. अभी कुछ नहीं हुआ.
How?
Like how confident are you that we'll be able to take good shots? Because this is our first try.
But I think हो जाएगा. But हम तो यहाँ आ चुके हैं.
Got this. You like this place?
It's beautiful. I can't believe I'm so close to nature. गांड भी फटी हुई है.
I think
Hi sir.
भाई रात के 2 बज रहे हैं.
वीडियो ज़्यादा
यहाँ मत रख भाई मेरे.
रात के 2 नहीं बज रहे, 8 बज रहे हैं.
यार तू बोल दे 2 बज रहे हैं.
भाई क्यों?
काम कर रहे हैं हम रात के 2 बजे तक.
हम महीनों से काम कर रहे हैं इसके लिए.
Bro, this coat took 60 hours for the embroidery.
Yeah. So it's all hand done embroidery. This look is inspired by the whole dreamy look, and this is a stag actually. You can see the velvet.
Yeah. Look, all of my friends going crazy. I gotta brag on myself, I amaze me. I know I'm got something that can phase me. I'm too dope like I'm back in the 80s. Okay, call me and I'm gon' slide. Pull up with me for a hell of a ride. You need a couple wins, they ain't doing it right. Hit up my line, we gon' turn up the night. I got a lot of wins on my dinner plate. Ain't coming down, gotta levitate. I know my next win is the best one, so I tell them that I'm on to the
On to the next one. On to the next one.
Shivansh is here at what time? It's 11:30, guys.
PM.
First show.
So this is the seating box that went out from Jaeger to a lot of people around. And then you have the shot glasses. Co-branded, you have the regular bottles. We did not send out the branded bottles in these. तो यहाँ से अभी डेकोर शुरू हो गया है आज. We had a lot of planters coming in.
So tomorrow is the end, na?
Yeah, check this out. Check it out. नीचे बेसमेंट में किसी को मजा ये बंद कर. तो the theme is that we are putting that forest inside the store. We are sort of going green for the day. And yeah, look around. I mean, अभी it's थोड़ा कम, but पूरा भर देंगे हम store. It's a big day tomorrow.
Bro, the whole store will turn green. Jaeger green. गुलाब तो लगना चाहिए ना.
अभी लग रहा है मेरे को.
You have to curate it very nicely. Very barbally good. Yeah. But
इधर देखो इधर. At the Delhi store, we have been planning this for a really long time.
Yeah.
But finally, we got some really good reason to pull it off. Big thank you to Jägermeister India for sort of supporting everything that we wanted to ideate and wanted to execute. It literally came out the way we used to talk.
This is how we imagine, like, you know, we will fill our store with flowers and plants, and you know, and this is how it looks like, and I'm so happy.
This sort of is like our first proper collaboration where, like, you know, it's very important for the partner
That's
to also
why,
come on board in a way where they imagine it to be very impactful, and that was the idea behind it. It had to be extremely impactful. तो अभी तक तो हमें impact दिख रहा है, but I'm not sure. Once, like, you know, the guests come in, once they see the actual rob, the actual garments, what the reaction would be. And today 6:30 is also like going to be a big size.
Yeah.
We have an extremely limited stock for this, and this is the phase 1 of the drop. The phase 2 will be next weekend at Hyderabad and Bombay, and we are sort of fabricating a little bit of section there as well. It won't be so overblown because this is flagship, and, like, you know, it needs special treatment.
Like, bro, you don't want to announce something. I'm like, what do you want to announce?
मैं आ गया. शादी वाला. पीछे खाना लग गया. We can roast people also. तो invited नहीं था. It is actually kind of unreal because you remember how many times we would tell you we want to do like a full on
कि अंदर हम यहाँ बोलते थे कि यहाँ पे फूलों से भर देंगे, like, you know,
and then it goes back to the CGI blender में कर दो for the real. But this has happened for real. People are commenting, is this blender or unreal?
I saw that, yeah.
I'm like, bro, it's real. Insane.
fuck, bro, this is
We have to act like हमने पहली बार देखा.
genuinely, bro.
They have cleaned up a lot of things.
Guys, let's go. Oh, fuck, bro, this bar looks nice.
See,
मुझे लग नहीं रहा था कि इतनी अच्छी लगेगी.
it's actually a good size. So they had a whole cage of it.
You wanna wear your daughter out. 2 cups in hand, want it all in my love. Mommy thought that she would be a doctor. Now she all up in the uni getting loved up. We in the middle of the rave like she don't care. She dropping it down for me with no fare.
I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I didn't have a saying 13 hours till I land. I mean,
Out like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy. Slept through the flight, ayy, not for the night, ayy. 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man. I still got scores to settle, man. I crept down the block, made a right, yeah.
gonna be madness really soon. It looks like we are inside the bottle now. But everything came out extremely well. Very happy with what we have been able to achieve here. I know for some people it might look like कि क्या ही किया बहुत है और green light ही लगाई है, but you don't understand the background work which we did. Imagine half of these people are the team. So you have a back and forth happening. But I'm pretty sure it's 7, around 8. It's gonna be madness. It's starting to get there. Not there yet. अभी बजे नहीं है पूरे. But you see we have like another party going on in the backyard.
Everybody, 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 everybody.
Guys, apply blue orange.